Hey guys! We would like to show you how to open this type of computer. So firstly, we have to use this one small piece of something. I don't know the name of this blue thing. So this is magic trick how to open it. Yes, ta-da! Be careful because it's very, you know what I mean. I don't know how to tell it. Okay, so the other side of the computer is okay. So the first step is this small piece of shit.
Screw.
Oh, sorry. Okay. Second one. This is very professional video
Yeah.
and this is very expensive thing. Okay. I hope that after this video I can quit my job and I will be a billionaire. YouTuber, how to open computer.
Disassembly. You must speaking exactly, specific.
Okay, sorry. We are, I don't know from which country, because you can hear our accent. Oh, magic.
Memory,
This is battery.
CMOS battery, RAM, DDR3. This is
With what?
hard drive, and one change the
What?
SSD.
Okay. Maybe we will write I explained it, okay. Subtitles. Because our English is very
Perfect.
perfect.
Now
Put and threw it away.
click.
Okay, and what will you do with this one?
Change with
For
new
new one
SSD and
Okay.
speed up the computer
will be faster.
faster.
Okay.
That one is all of this video. Maybe try clean the fan.
Fan.
That's all.
Clap, clap. That's all?
Yes.